Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to insert watermark in Word document. Friends, by adding watermark to your document and making a PDF copy of it, you can very easily make that document copyrighted. So in your Word file, you need to go to Design and in Design you will find option of watermark. Here you will find different type of watermarks. Now if you are able to see, confidential is written diagonally on all my pages. Now if you want to insert your company name or your company website, then you can very easily do it by going to watermarks, and in watermark you will find option of custom watermark. Now here you can change the text. I am inserting website. Now from here you can change font and you can also change the color. After selecting all, click on apply. Now as you can see, my website name is written on all the pages. Now I will make a PDF copy of it. Friends, if you don't know how to make PDF copy, then you can see a video on it in the I button. Now friends, as you can see, I have made the PDF copy of my document. Now I can send this PDF file to anyone or I can upload it to my website, as now no one will able to change this watermark in which I have inserted my website. So friends, like this you can very easily insert watermark in your document. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.